Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ripple. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours worth of time. So while this here may look like several weeks, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame thing does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Update's probably not necessarily the right word for those of you that have watched the past videos. Confirmation would definitely be the right term, and the confirmation continues to all factor right here around this red line, which I've talked about time and time again in the past videos, which is the current key level of resistance right there at 78 cents. So as I've talked about in the past, nothing new if you've watched the previous videos, but 78 cents is definitely confirmed as being this area of resistance. Now, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, over the past few days, I do want to get one more marked out as it's really kind of started to make itself known. And while I'm not going to call this, a must-hold support or anything like that, there are clearly some buyers that have started to show up on a pretty routine basis right down there at the 70-cent mark. You can see that several times now. Let's get that out of there. The price over the past basically couple of days has come down, and the bears have tried to press down through that area, but every time, including today and then going forward, the price has been doing a good job of holding strong there. So 70 cents, a shorter term, what I would call the ideal level of support, meaning what would make the chart look the best. Staying above 70 cents would accomplish that. But again, by no means am I saying if the chart falls below there that everything's totally ruined. Definitely the must-hold level is down here at these lows right around 58 cents, for the simple reason of, well, if the price breaks below those, then that implies that the price is now putting in new lows that this hasn't seen in a very long time. So as it stands right now, 70 cents at ideal level, but still the must-hold level down there at 58 cents. And then from a resistance standpoint, 78 cents, and have the overall moving average right there, the 50 period, which will be the next level to keep an eye on with any sort of break of 78 cents. So other than that, pretty straightforward at this point in time. Not a whole lot of other updates to do, but if this was your first time watching the video, these are definitely kind of these overall levels to keep an eye on from a technical perspective. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.